Service mode is a diagnostic interface primarily used by Tesla technicians to perform system checks and component calibrations on Model 3 vehicles. Service mode temporarily disables normal driving functions and displays diagnostic menus on the central touchscreen. It's activated intentionally by technicians or can occur unintentionally due to various issues. Service mode serves several important purposes: running comprehensive system diagnostics, calibrating components like windows and cameras, troubleshooting hardware issues, and performing software updates or resets. Vehicles can get stuck in service mode due to various issues: software glitches, interrupted updates, power outages, battery problems, or hardware faults in the electronic control units. When stuck in service mode, you'll see menus like Service Mode Active on the central screen, with options for diagnostics and calibration that prevent normal operation. While in service mode, the vehicle remains drivable but with significant limitations. Normal driving functions are disabled, autopilot is unavailable, and touchscreen access is restricted until you exit the mode. The first and simplest solution to exit service mode is a full system restart, also called a power cycle. This allows the vehicle's systems to reset completely. Access the safety menu on your Tesla's center touchscreen. You'll see options including security settings and the power off button. After tapping power off, it's crucial to wait the full 5 minutes. This allows all systems, including the infotainment and drive components, to completely shut down and reset. Rushing this step may not resolve the issue. Once the 5 minutes have passed, press and hold the brake pedal to power the car back on. This completes the power cycle and should exit service mode. This power cycle method is effective for most service mode issues and should be your first attempt before trying more advanced solutions. A stable internet connection is crucial for resolving service mode issues. If the restart doesn't work, connect your Model 3 to a reliable Wi-Fi network to access over-the-air updates. Navigate to the software menu on your Tesla touchscreen to check for available updates. Tesla frequently releases firmware fixes for mode lock problems. Check for and install any pending updates. Firmware versions like v13.x are specifically designed to address service mode lock issues. Allow the update to complete, then restart your vehicle. This process often resolves service mode locks through Tesla's improved firmware. Tesla's mobile app provides powerful remote diagnostics and control capabilities. This can help exit service mode without visiting a service center. First, open the Tesla app on your smartphone. The app icon typically shows a Tesla T logo. Once in the app, navigate to the main menu. Look for service or support options. These are usually found in the navigation drawer or main dashboard. Within the service or support section, look for diagnostic options. Some app versions offer a reset or reboot function that can remotely command your Tesla to exit service mode. To provide a clearer view, here are actual screenshots from the Tesla app showing the interface and settings options. Important note: the availability of remote reset functionality depends on your app version and geographic region. Not all users will see this option. If it's not available, proceed to other troubleshooting methods. For more technical users, USB-based recovery offers an advanced option to exit service mode. This involves using Tesla's diagnostic tools on a USB drive to perform a factory reset. However, this method carries significant risks and should only be attempted by those comfortable with advanced computer procedures. Important warning: this USB-based recovery can void your vehicle's warranty. It should only be attempted by users comfortable with advanced computer procedures. We strongly recommend contacting Tesla support first before attempting this method. First, locate the USB port in your Tesla's dashboard. This is where you'll connect the USB drive containing the diagnostic tools. The process involves downloading Tesla's official diagnostic tools onto a USB drive from a computer. Then, insert the USB drive into the dashboard port and follow the on-screen prompts to perform a factory reset. The Tesla Diagnostic Tool interface displays various vehicle components and diagnostic functions. Use the cursor to navigate through menus like Read All DTC, Clear All DTC, and Rescan to perform the recovery process. Remember, USB-based recovery should always be a last resort. Contact Tesla support first, as they can often resolve service mode issues remotely without the risks associated with advanced troubleshooting. If none of the previous steps resolve the service mode issue, it's time to contact Tesla support. You can schedule a service appointment through the Tesla app or website. Tesla now prioritizes remote diagnostics, allowing technicians to reset the mode without requiring a physical visit to the service center. Alternatively, you can schedule through the Tesla website. Here's an example of selecting a date and time for your appointment. The remote diagnostic process is convenient and often resolves issues quickly without leaving your location. The benefits of Tesla's remote diagnostic capabilities include faster service, convenience, and the ability to get back on the road sooner. Contact support when needed for professional help. The best way to avoid getting stuck in service mode is to keep your Tesla's software up to date. Enable automatic updates in the settings and ensure a stable power supply during installations. Ensure a stable power supply during installations to prevent interruptions that could cause issues. Avoid aftermarket modifications, especially chargers, as they can cause conflicts leading to service mode issues. Reiterate the importance of stable power during updates based on user case studies, as interruptions can lead to service mode locks. Tesla's future software updates aim to proactively prevent service mode issues through AI-driven diagnostics that continuously monitor vehicle systems. Full self-driving supervised mode will integrate real-time mode monitoring, automatically exiting service mode if anomalies are detected during operation. Future updates will include predictive maintenance features that alert owners before potential service mode issues arise, allowing for preventive action. Tesla's plans for V14 software include enhanced diagnostics that could potentially eliminate most service mode incidents through advanced monitoring and self-healing capabilities. Overall, the future looks optimistic as Tesla's software improvements continue to enhance vehicle reliability and user experience, potentially making service mode issues a rare occurrence.